Well, good morning. So today I thought I'd take you on a day in the life kind of thing. Basically, if you ever watch Nomadic Fanatic, he kind of does his YouTube channel. He kind of does it's not about certain events like most of our channel is. It's about going through daily what's going on. So today we're going to head off to church. I'll do a different church because we do church videos. And today's church, I forget exactly the name of it, but it's on my GPS. So we're going to get over there to go to church, and we are going to do a video there at that church, and we're going to check out. I'm trying to straighten up my Air Force flag a little bit. We're going to do a video, and we're going to check out that church and do a specific video, which is, I think we got like 30 church videos, but today we're going to go to the beach and hang out. So come along with me, because you've just entered the coolest life, doing something different. Well, here we are at the place to park. I got my old man hat, and she's got her old girl dog. But this is it's called, I want to call it, say, Manasota Key or something like that. Friendly boating, go slow, don't hurt the manatees. And so we park here. So you come across this big giant bridge, and you park over here. And we're going down a little plank here. This is the plank. What's it called? Walkway, I guess. On up to the beach area. Yeah, the beach area. Well, not quite at the beach. I guess this is part of, well, I guess the big bridge back there actually makes this part of an island, or the key part of the area. We'll be there in just a few minutes. This side's kind of a nice little shower area and stuff. And on the outdoor showers too. This is the changing area, I guess you call it. Again, this is Manasota Beach. We're almost to the water. Well, today is like this. We've had some cold weather for about a week and a half. And this is our first nice day. It's happened. It's this Sunday. It's late January in Manasota Beach, Florida, and the beach is a little crowded. It wasn't even half this crowded last time we were here. Give you an idea. Yeah, there's a person or two out here today, but we're not at work. We're not at home, and it's a beautiful day outside. And, as people move, we may go a little closer to the water. We'll see. But, it's not a bad day to be just hanging around. That's my wife right there looking for. See her right there? Yeah, she's got a little net there. She's doing some sanding for something. I don't know what it is. Mussels or shark's teeth or something. I don't know what it is. Someone's got some music playing down there. Beautiful day. It's like 82 degrees out here now. Not bad for January. Birds. A few more birds. Kids chasing it. So at a place called the End Zone, as you can tell here, it got me Old Faithful Blue Moon. I like Blue Moon. And my wife got the Old Faithful Yingling. We were actually looking for a microbrew. We couldn't really pinpoint one in the local area, so here we sit at the End Zone watching the Eagles game. So we decided on appetizers, and we ended up getting the buffalo chicken egg rolls. Buffalo chicken egg rolls, which is basically buffalo chicken stuff inside of an egg roll. So, but let's just see how good it is. Get some of this on a chip. Better in the rain. It is delicious. Good stuff in it.
Nice bite right after the beach.
Yeah, right after the beach is good. We have to go to a little sports bar or pub or whatever. Watching the football game, that's what we're doing. It's the Phillies, or not Phillies. It's Philadelphia. The Eagles are beating stew out of the 49ers anyway. This game's pretty much over. Beautiful lookout. It's across a big parking lot, but it's really nice out here. What's it? Right now it's probably about 78, so it's nice out here. That's what we're doing today. Well, now we're back at the RV, and I am actually crunching a video. I call it crunching because you got to put all the little splices together and the music and the little pictures that I do. I have basically the same format for all my videos, but you always do some crunching. We're back here. I'm watching the it was just a Cincinnati game. Hopefully Cincinnati wins. We'll see. Cincinnati Kansas City game, and sitting here at my laptop crunching this video. Show you how some of it does. See, I'm putting it together. It's a program called Filmora, and playing with that dog. All right, dog. Dixie, Dixie, you gotta look at me when I'm talking to you. she doesn't care nothing about me. She's actually a service dog, and she's my wife's dog. As my wife leaves the house, she's like opening the door and doesn't care what I'm doing, but I'm trying to feed her. But anyway, well, that's what we're doing today. Maybe another day this week I'll do another what are we doing in a day in the life. Right now I'm gonna let you go. So please be kind to each other and be sure to keep on living the coolest life.